Hey guys, welcome back to Pixia Speed Paint. In today's video, I'll be showing you the process of my Kokomi emoji redraw. As I mentioned before, this is still a part of my face and expression practice project. As always, I started it all out with a half body proportion despite the drawing is only a headshot. This is crucial since after several times drawing headshots, I realized a wrong proportion could result in a weird looking drawing despite we're only drawing the head. Again, once I understand better and master these proportions, I'll make a separate video about it. For now, please bear any weirdness in the body proportion guidelines as I'm still experimenting and learning myself. For this drawing, I got back to using Lineart feature on Clip Studio Paint, except for the face though, since this shape needs to be accurate in order to get a good face. But other than that, I often just use this Lineart feature since I love painting over the line art after the rendering phase is done, to make it look more solid, which I will show the difference at the end of the video. And here comes the fun part, painting over. Here's how it looks before and after. I really love how solid it looks on the after. Now, how to do paintovers? I explained how you can do this in my other video linked above. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and we'll paint more on the next video. See you!